Today I'll show you how to create a template in Docusign. Templates are really helpful if you send the same type of document over and over, like contracts, agreements, or forms that always need the same fields and signer roles. Once you set up a template, you'll save a lot of time and avoid small mistakes because everything is ready to go each time you use it. We'll start right from the Docusign dashboard. After you sign in, you'll land on the main home screen, sometimes called the dashboard. This is your starting point for almost everything in Docusign. From here, look toward the top of the page for the Start option. Go ahead and click Start. Then from the menu that appears, choose Envelope Templates and then click Create Template. This is the area where you build the structure for documents you'll reuse. Think of a template as a reusable envelope. It stores your document, your signer roles, and all the signature and information fields so you don't have to recreate them each time. Next, you'll upload the document that you want to turn into a template. Click the option to upload, then browse your computer or connected storage and select your file. This might be a PDF, a Word document, or another supported format. Give Docusign a moment to process it. Once it's uploaded, you'll see a preview of the document inside the template setup screen. After your document is uploaded, it's time to add roles and fields. Roles are placeholders for the people who will sign or fill out the document, like client, manager, or HR representative. Instead of typing in a specific person's name, you assign roles now so that later on when you use the template, you simply plug in the actual names and email addresses for each role. Start by adding your roles. You'll usually see an area where you can define each role and, if needed, set the signing order. The signing order controls who gets the document first, second, and so on. This is optional, but very useful for approval workflows. Once the roles are set, switch to adding fields on the document. This is where you place the signature blocks, date fields, name fields, and any other information you need people to fill out. Pick the correct role for each field, so Docusign knows which signer is responsible for which part. For example, a signature field assigned to the client role will only appear for the person you later assign as the client. Take your time placing these fields. Make sure every spot that someone needs to sign, initial, or enter information has a corresponding field. Align them neatly so the document looks clean and professional. You can also add fields like checkboxes or text boxes if the form requires more than just signatures. When you're happy with your roles and fields, you're ready to save your work. Look for the Save and Close button and click it. This step stores your new template in your Docusign account so you can reuse it anytime. The next time you need to send this type of document, you'll simply choose this template, assign real people to the roles, and send it out in just a few clicks. And that's all it takes to create a template in Docusign. Start from the dashboard, go to Envelope Templates, create a new template, upload your document, add roles and fields, then save and close.